Good morning, everyone. This is a lovely sunny day, and I am blessed to be retired and able to sit in the garden and make this video and talk to you about something that I feel is very important. My vision purpose is to collect what other people are throwing out and therefore give it to me.
Okay.
And I recycle really what they have given me. So I recycle all sorts of things so that I can produce will be useful to children in schools, all levels, ECD all the way to grade 7. I haven't really worked on high school, though I probably could, because I'm actually was a high school teacher, but I'm long since retired, with a passion still to be an educationalist, working for the good of our children here in Zimbabwe. I came to this country as a teacher this month 57 years ago.
Wow.
With my husband.
57.
Our vision was to make a difference in the growth of the this may sound racial, but this is what it was, the growth of the black children in this country. Because we were employed by the Ministry of African Education. In those days there were 2 ministries, and we chose to work for the Ministry of African Education so that we could grow the African people.
Okay.
Nowadays we don't have that, we just have one ministry, and isn't that so much better?
Yes.
Because it's God's desire that we be one people and not divided by the color of our face.
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay.
So thank you for coming.
Absolutely.